our exhibition hall in our company. Today I will show you some machines to you. But before we start the show, let me make a brief introduction on me and our company WMTCNC. My name is Kevin. The name in Iran language means the lovely and elegant. And our company name WMTCNC is located in Qizhou, Anhui province. The city is very beautiful and famous for the Buddhist mountain, Jiuhua Mountain. If you enjoy traveling, we welcome you to come here, and you can also visit our factory. By the way, okay, maybe you can find some machines that you need. Our company WMTCNC has more than 20 years exporting experience. Our machines have been sold to more than 50 countries in the world, especially in European and American markets. There are experienced QC members, professional engineers, and workers working here. They are very cautious about testing the machines during the machine manufacturing. So you can trust us and trust our machine quality. Today, I am very honored to be here to represent our company WMTCNC to show some machines to you. As you can see, here is our milling and drilling machine. I think it's the X32G. As you can see, it has four blue and white colors. By the way, we can customize the color according to your requirements, and also we can customize the wattage, frequency, and one phase or three phase according to your local wattage requirements. And you can see here is our WMTCNC logo. So keep it in your mind, we are WMTCNC. Also, from the model of the machine, you can see the 32 just means 32. The machine maximum drilling diameter is 32 millimeters, and the G means the gill step, gill. Okay, it's gill type. As you can see here are some handles and buttons here. I will tell you the function of this node and buttons. Okay. Here the red button. The red button is an emergency stop. When users cutting an accident, we can pull it down and the machine will be powered off. And the black node is for controlling the spindle rotating forward and reverse. And the green button is a power on button. The green light is an indicating light, and another black knob is for controlling the coolant system. Okay, and here you can see the other two knobs. They are used to control the spindle speed by match the two knobs. You can adjust the spindle speed. Here, you can see it's a handle wheel. Its name is micro fanning handle wheel. And here is another handle wheel, handle to control the headstock up and down. And here is a protective cover with cut-out devices. You can see when I remove the protective cover, the indicating light is changed. Okay. There are several main parts combined of the machine. As you can see, here is the main motor. The main motor power is 750 watts, and here is headstock, and coolant. You can see the coolant is square coolant, so that the machine structure will be strong and stable. And here is the work table of the machine, and the last one is the machine base. Okay. Also, you will see some optionals on the machine. First, it's machine-wise. Machine-wise is for optional. It is used to fix your workpiece. Then after you fix your workpiece on the machine-wise, then you can use the machine to drill, to mill, or to do typing work. And here is the working light. This optional names is X-axis power fan attachment. When you use the optional, you can the X-axis can be auto fanning. Okay. And also you will see coolant system here. Coolant system. The coolant system is combined of a coolant tank and a coolant pump. Also, when you use the machine to do work, the temperature of the tool, mini tool or drill tool will work. The workpiece temperature will be high, so that you can use the coolant system to reduce the temperature of the machine or the temperature of the workpiece. It's also a safe measure to keep the machine have a longer surface life. Okay. Finally, I want to tell you the machine some specifications. The maximum of the maximum drilling diameter of the machine is 32 millimeters, and the maximum taping capacity is 16 millimeters, and the maximum face milling capacity is 33 millimeters. The work table size is 700 times 180 millimeters. For the spindle table, you can choose MT3 or R8. The X-axis taper is about 410 millimeters. The y-axis travel is about 205 millimeters. The z-axis travel is 310 millimeters. The z-axis, and the spindle travel is about 85 millimeters. And you will see some T slots on the work table. The from 0 to about 1,400. The machine size cannot be placed well in your workshop or in your home. So our engineer is using the x-axis power backing attachment. You will see the x-axis is moving automatically.
我怎么老拿屁股？没电了，等下他就拿了。现在是好的，现在可以说。等一下估计要没电。
Also, you can see our engineer Mr. Hong is drilling holes on the workpiece.
去哪儿？The machine is working now.
The machine is working now, and we can see the drill head is working to drill holes on the workpiece. Now the machine is milling work. You can see the x-axis is moving automatically, and the mill probe is milling on the workpiece. There are some metal sheets when the machine is working. So please make sure that you use your protective glasses when you use the machine, just to keep your safety. You need to use your protective glasses. Okay.
是吧？刷一下看。
Okay. Let me clean the workpiece and show you the channels on the machine after milling. you can see we just we mill a channel just now. The work is completed. You can see here is the smooth channel on the workpiece surface. Okay, and then we want to show the machine how to drill and drill some holes for you.
好，我现在把这个拆一下啊，这个起来能放点，做点好。
Okay, when you want to do
第一步用这个扳手卡住这个水流啊，
when you want to do drill works, you need to use the two wrenches at the two different positions.
好，把它松掉，啊，松掉，
To loose and
敲一下，
the tap here you will let the mill chuck down and you can okay you can remove the mill chuck and then before you and then you can use your drill chuck to do drill works.
啊，松掉。
Use the wrench to tighten the drill chuck.
扳手卡住啊，是，啊，OK。
Okay, and now you can see we has removed our milling chuck and insert our drill chuck. Then we will do. Then we will let the machine do drill works.
这是更换状态，用这个啊，加这个钥匙，把这个
You
松掉。
use the key drill and change the drill tool.
旋起，这个加这个钥匙。
And then use the drill key to tighten the drill. Use the handle to let the headstock up along the Z-axis. And then use the machine wise to fix the workpiece. Fix the workpiece and then. Okay. Let us make.
我对于这个岗位来更换，这是 H2，现在是930。
Which one?
不用。
You can see the machine is working and the drill tool is rotating. Let's show you how the machine drill works. Now you can see we have drilled a hole in the workpiece. You can see the work is very easy because the machine is showing now to drill holes in the aluminum workpiece. Also, you can use the other metal workpiece. Okay, finally, let me review the machine for you again. The name of the machine is ZX32G.
更换一下，就是转速啊。
OK，
更换我们要用手转动一下这个骨头翻到就把它就可以了。
Okay, our engineers said if you want to adjust the spindle steps, you need to rotate the spindle, and then you can rotate the knob at the same time. You can change the steps from 1 to 2 to 3, okay, to get different spindle speed. Also, you can see when you rotate the spindle, you can also rotate the knob from low to high, or from high to low, to get different spindle speeds. You can see now the knob is at the low step, so the spindle speed is rotating very slowly. You can see. It's rotating very slow. And this protective cover is combined of cut-off power devices. When now you can see the machine is indicating light is green, means the machine is working normally. When you pull down the power on button, you can see the machine working. But when I remove the protective cover, the machine will be powered off. This is a protective measure to keep users safety. Okay.
还有这个深度显示这个控制它这个。后面这个清凉。
Okay. And here is our digital depth gauge. Digital depth gauge. It's for standard sensory of the machine. You can see when our engineers use the handle, you can see the digital result is changed. The number is changed from 0 to 6 to 6, 7, 8 millimeters. This is a standard accessory of the machine. At last, let me review the machine for you. The name of the machine is ZX32G, and there are several main parts combined of the machine: the main motor, the headstock, the coolant, the work table, and the machine base. And also you can see some optional on the machine, optional accessory on the machine: the coolant system, the machine wires, the working lights, the X-axis power fading attachment, and here is the machine stand. This is also for optional. We welcome you to follow us and become our shop fans. We also have other different smaller or bigger milling and drilling machine models. Let me show you our catalog. this one is the machine VX32G. Also, also you can choose an updated of it named VX32G way. The way means the variable because it has a variable motor with variable stepless motor. You can use the button to control the spindle speed. Okay. Also, we have other smaller models such as ZAY7013V and such as ZAY7020V, 7025V. Okay. And we also have bigger models such as ZAY7045V and ZAY745FG. And also we have some vertical drilling machine, universal milling machine, and hydraulic radial drilling machine. And the other machines we welcome you to to follow us and become our fans. We welcome your inquiry. And if you want to know the price of the machine with FOB or CIF, we welcome you to follow us and send inquiry of the machine. Okay. Okay, then follow me. Let's go to another machine.
不用，就放在这上面应该也行。
Okay. And here you can see is another of our lathe machine. Its name is CJM0632V. Comes 750. Okay. You can see here the lathe machine is a little bigger, and it has the black and the green, white and green colors. We also can customize the machine color according to your requirements.
30分钟了。
Okay. And then, before we tell you the specifications of the machine, let me measure the size of the lathe for you. Okay, the length of the machine is about 150 millimeters, and the wires of the machine is about 60 millimeters, and the height of the machine is about 60 millimeters too. So please make sure your room or your workshop can place the machine well before you buy it. Okay, then you can see the lathe machine is combined of some main parts. The skill box. Just you can also name this spindle box. Protective cover, 3-jaw chuck, and the machine bed, tail stock, and the ballast guard. Also, you can see some optional accessories here is the machine stand and oil tray. Machine stand and oil tray. And the working line is for optional working line. Also, you can see here are some handles on the machine and the button. You can see the name of the machine is CJM0632V. The V means variable, so you can use the knob to control the spindle speed from 0 to 2000 RPM. Okay, here are some handles with different numbers or words. These the three handles can control the machine state by matching matching them. Okay, you can use the three handles to control the spindle steps, and then you can use the knob to change the spindle speeds. Okay, and here you can see some parts here. Here is the four position torque post. 4 position, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 position torque post, and the handle wheel is control the axis travel, and this handle wheel is control the z-axis travel from left to right or from right to the left, and this handle is used to control the machine work or don't work. Okay. This handle is very important. It's easy for users to control the machine work or don't work. You can see. The feature chart is working, and when I pull it down, you will see the feature chart is rotating forward. Stop again. It's rotating forward. Also, you can use the knob to control the spindle, feature chart rotating speed from 300 to more than 2000 RPM. Okay. Then we want to let our engineers, Mr. Huang, to show how the machine to turn the metal bar. Okay, you can see our engineer is use the wrench to loose the three-gear chart and to fix the workpiece.
好了。现在加工。你说现在加工吗？现在是在加工吗？这咋看？看不到呀。
see the machine is working, and we use the carbide to detect the outer circle of the metal bar. You can see the Z-axis is auto steady at the ceiling tower. We changed the spindle speed from 500 to 700. You can see the machine is finished working. You can see the metal bar. The aluminum bar is be cut it outer circle. Okay.
还配铝制的那种加工的道具会更好的，这个道具都是很好。
Okay. You can see the machine is strong enough to work with the workpiece. Okay. 那个再给。Also, as you know, the lathe can also drill hole on the workpiece. When you use the tailstock from the Z-axis, use the drill shaft with the same MP3 spindle paper. Use the same MP3 paper. You can see the spindle, the drill shaft is located, and we use the drill shaft and with drill head to drill holes. You can see the workpiece is being drilled. It's drilled. You can see here is a hole. Here is a hole of the in the workpiece.
但是打的挺硬嘛，撞孔这个更化过来，这个更化的。
我刚才打的是银孔。
挺硬嘛，对，这是正的。
Okay, we changed another drill tool to do drill works.
挺硬孔是银孔，给它换一个中心，一个定位啊，然后慢慢的开始。
You can see lathes also can do drill works. Lathes can also do drill works. Okay, you can see here. You can see here is the hole. We just use our lathes to do drill works. Also, you know, the lathes can also do drill works. Okay. Okay. And at last, 我手机去哪？
你手机我不知道哎。
Okay, at last we want to tell you the specifications of the lathe machine. The maximum swimming diameter is about 320 millimeters, and the distance between centers is about 750 millimeters. Also, we have a smaller model. You can choose 500 millimeters if your workpiece is not long. Okay, and the spindle bore is 38 millimeters. And the spindle taper is 75. The main motor power is 715 watts. And the tailstock sleeve taper is MT3. So if you want to drill, you need to buy or purchase MT3 drill chuck. Okay, I forgot to tell you another detail. The machine, the lathe machine, the guide wheels are heat treated with a hot temperature. So the lathe structure is more strong and stable. Even you use some heavy workpiece, it also can give you a high precision. Okay. Okay. Finally, you can see here are also some buttons and indicating lights here. The red button is also for emergency stop. It's also an emergency stop. When users cutting an accident, they should use the emergency stop to let the machine be powered off. And the green button is indicating light. Here you can see a digital readout. You will see the spindle speed in the screen. You will see the spindle speed. Also here, we want to show you the machine gearbox. You can see some gears, a belt here. There are many gears set. When you want to do different threading, you need to change the gear sets. You need to change the gear set. Okay, let me show you the toolbox. You will see some different gears with different models, smaller or bigger gears. When you want to do different threading, you need to change the gears. Change the gear set. Use the different gears. If you are not clear about how the skills can do how different threading, you need to follow the sheet, and the specifications. Use different A, B, C, and 1, 2, 3, 4 types, and you will get different threading range. Okay. At last, we can supply you different options such as the machine stands, you can say here is the 3-jaw chart for standards. We also can offer you 4-jaw chart as optional. Working line is for optional, and also you can choose a coolant system. And if you want if your budget is enough, you can also choose 2-axis digital results. You will see the Z axis and the X axis travel on the DRO. Okay, we also have different list models. This name is CJM0632V. Indeed, it's very popular. Also, we have different models. You can see CJM3208 or CJM280 or CJM250. Another, we have some mini bench lathes, such as DIY0714 or DIY0816. This DIY this mini lathe machine is very popular because it's liked by our DIY hobby users. Some hobby users buy the machine just to do hobby. Okay. Also, we have multi-purpose machines such as MPV250 or MP500 or MP800. WMTCNC is very professional. It's a very professional manufacturer in China for on CNC lathe, CNC milling, lathe machine, milling and drilling machine, multi-purpose machine, bandsaw machine, and other press brake machine. Okay, you can see here is our poster. We have more than 20 years manufacturing experience. All of our machines has CE certification. You know, the CE certification is very important in a European market. We also have many customers around the world in about 50 countries. So we welcome you to follow us and become our fans. We also welcome your inquiries at any time because we are always online. You send the inquiry and we will reply you soon to give you the best offer. Okay, time flies. It's time to say goodbye to you. We hope you will enjoy this live show today. And my name is Kevin, K-E-V-I-N, and our company name is WMTCNC. It's time to see. Bye bye. Bye bye. See you next time.